Brothers and sisters, when our actions align with our faith and our trust is in Jesus, we are prepared for what is to come. For a person who is faithful to God, death becomes gain. May we always remember that a life well lived is one that we live for Christ. Good day, my dear brothers and sisters in the Lord. Welcome back to our daily palandong, ang pagpamalandong sa pulong sa Diyos. I am Jeffrey Torre, one of the predicons of the Archdiocese of Cebu. In today's Gospel, the Sadducees posed a very interesting question. If someone's brother dies, leaving a wife but no child, his brother must take the wife and raise up descendants for his brother. Now, there were 7 brothers. The first married a woman but died childless. Then the second and the third married her, and likewise all the 7 died childless. Finally, the woman also died. Now, at the resurrection, whose wife will that woman be? For all 7 had been married to her. Jesus answered them that life on earth is not the same as life after resurrection. He said that those who are deemed worthy to attain the coming age and to the resurrection of the dead neither marry nor are given any marriage. They can no longer die, for they are like angels, and they are the children of God because they are the ones who will rise. Many wonder what life is like after death. Some may ask if there really is life after death. In a world filled with uncertainty and suffering, the hope of resurrection brings solace and assurance of a future where suffering is finally replaced by eternal peace and fulfillment. But who will be resurrected? Jesus tells us that everyone will be resurrected. They that have done good will be resurrected unto the resurrection of life, and they that have done evil will be resurrected unto the resurrection of damnation. Brothers and sisters, today's gospel prompts us to examine our lives and to take the long view, understanding that earthly relationships are temporary, which calls us to prioritize spiritual growth, live in virtue, and store heavenly treasures. Let us think deeply about how our choices and beliefs today influence our spiritual future. Perhaps one crucial question we should often ask is, if God were to return today, am I ready to stand before Him? Or if I were to die at this hour, would I be resurrected to life eternal? Would I be with Christ forever? Brothers and sisters, when our actions align with our faith and our trust is in Jesus, we are prepared for what is to come. For a person who is faithful to God, death becomes gain. May we always remember that a life well lived is one that we live for Christ.